In today's video, we will see how to fix Nintendo Switch could not connect to TV AC adapter. Fix 1. Check the AC adapter and dock compatibility. Make sure you are using the recommended Nintendo Switch AC adapter and Nintendo Switch dock or the Nintendo Switch dock with LAN port. Fix 2. Check the HDMI connection. Confirm that the HDMI cable is securely connected to both the dock and your TV. Try using a different HDMI port on your TV or a new HDMI cable if needed. Fix 3. Reset the AC adapter. Disconnect the AC adapter from both the wall socket and the dock for at least 30 seconds before reconnecting. Fix 4. Check the TV input setting. Make sure your TV input setting match the HDMI port you are using to connect your switch. Turn on your TV and use the remote to select the HDMI input to which your switch is connected. Fix 5. Update dock firmware on your Nintendo Switch. Make sure your console has the latest system update installed. You can check this by going to Settings, System Update. From the home screen, navigate to the System Settings. Scroll down to the System section and find the selected update dock. Then choose Begin Update. If after following these steps you still encounter issues, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance. Check Nintendo's official customer support website and Nintendo's customer support to see if your issue has a simple solution. Here on this website you can find similar issues you are facing. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.